Alright, so we're in Bradgate Park here in Leicestershire, and I was going to do a drone flight here, but look how windy it is, so I've actually brought my drone with me to do a drone flight, and it's got cloudy as well, so I don't think it's happening. But anyway, I'm here and I'm just going to get some shots with my camera instead. I might use my drone. I'll see if the weather or the wind dies out. I think in high elevated areas the winds are a lot stronger. Look at that, there's amazing. This took a long walk up that hill, some big hill, and yeah, it's like the walk up I did in Stanmore, northwest London, except this is much higher, I think. So yeah, it's a nice area to come. So you've got the deer right there, look at that. I've got my 300mm lens, I'm gonna get that out after. Luckily I bring it with me. One thing about here, you get a lot of these planes, look at that. I should get my 300mm lens out and I can do some plane spotting here as well. Look at that. Look at that, that's amazing, that shot. It was definitely worth it coming up here. Bit of a trek, but I'm here and we get these amazing views. Look at that, amazing. Look at that, amazing views from Bradgate. See people walking in the horizon, at the top of the hill to the highest point. Now I'm gonna do that in a bit. Right, I think the hard part's done. I just got that much to go. Actually, it's still kind of hard, but it isn't that hard. Look at these rocks, look at that. Alright, we made it almost to the tallest point. Look at that, amazing views. Up here. We're at the tallest point now. Almost pushing me over. That is so strong. You can hear the wind in the mic. It's so loud. Look at that bird struggling to keep up. Look at that. Look at that bird right there. It's struggling. I need my 300mm lens. That is insane. I walked up all that with all my lenses. I've got my 11mm lens. I even got my drone on me. So I got my drone on me. I got my batteries. Got the drone, and I got power banks. Got my power bank on me as well, and the controller for the drone as well. I don't know if I'm gonna fly it because of this wind. So over there, that's actually the city of Leicester. So Leicester's city is right there. We're facing southeast. Look at that. Alright, I got my 300mm lens on. Now let's zoom in, look at that. That is insane. Wind is so strong, I can't even keep the camera still. It's actually almost blowing me over. The wind's too strong. At this height, we're getting a double whammy we're getting the max wind as possible because we're at the highest elevation. When it's even 20 miles an hour, it's like 30 miles an hour here. City of Leicester right here. I don't know how still I can keep the camera. I didn't even bring my tripod because that would be too heavy to bring. So it's got Leicester right here, the town centre. It's quite hard to keep the camera still. Look, you can see the road down there. This is where I came down. I came down this path. Look at that. You can see people walking down it. So you've got a crow over here as well. Look at that. Is it going to struggle in the wind? Oh my god, it's tremendously windy today. Look, it's extremely windy today. I don't think you understand how windy this is. I think you can pick it up on a DJI mic because it does suppress the wind sound pretty well, but you can still hear it. It's got a crisp. Look at that. That is sick. That is some next level wildlife photography. Yeah, I can zoom in, yeah.
That should be the ruins.
Okay. See, look, that flew down.
Huh?
That thing flew down over there.
Yeah.
can see the cows down there. For science, look at that, it's flying everywhere. Every time I keep changing lens, it's actually so dodgy because the wind actually strong enough to actually almost knock my lens over. Like I almost dropped it. Imagine flying my drone. It would definitely struggle up here, 100%. Look at that. Look, big stone here as well, we've got a nice shot. Crow taking in that wind, look at that. Got a nice amazing shot of that, look at that. He's suspended in the air, look at that. Wow, that is a sick shot. It's picking up whatever grab it needs. If it wants, it can be efficient and let the wind actually carry itself, so it can just can't beat the countryside. Look at that. Alright, back to my wide angle lens. Look at that. I just used my big lens. Now I'm just going to ready to descend, but I'm going to show you where I am. Look at that. Amazing rock formation near the high viewpoint. I just put my 11mm lens back on. So we were zooming in and now I just zoomed out to get a nice angle shot. And yeah, this is where I am. Look at that. Amazing. And yeah, it's a nice area. Got some nice zoomed in shots. And we're still at the highest point almost. I'm going to descend now. Let's get a shot of that. If I ride my bike down there, we can get some nice speed. Look at that, proper downhill. Let's see if I can run down there. Ooh, ooh. Combination with the wind, that is a recipe for disaster. I'm gonna trip over if I run. So I'm just gonna go down slowly. Alright, gonna go down this hill. I walked all the way up here. The hard part's already done. Now I'm just gonna go downhill. Absolutely less wind down here. Up there, all the wind is coming up there, but now it's much less down here. Right, I'm gonna go down to not where I started, but there's a little building down there. I'm gonna go down there instead, so I'll get a shot of another area of Bradgate Park. It's like a big country park. It's like the Peak District, isn't it? Here in Leicestershire. See, look, that's where I come from. Nice shots. There, I approach the dead end to this path. Where do I go now? I'm stuck. I have to go maybe through this way. Will I find a dead end there as well? I'm not sure. Right, I'm gonna go down this way to see that building through this way. I'm gonna walk down here and hopefully this path will lead me down to that building or wherever. I'll make it there anyway. And there's a reservoir as well. I might go check out that reservoir as well. And look at that, there's dares over there. You know what? I'm actually putting my 300mm lens back on for this. See, look at that. We've got dares over there. Put my 300mm lens back on. It's less windy here, so there's not going to be that much dust going in the lens, but look at that. Get a nice shot of the dares and the animals. Look at that, staring right into the camera. That is, even got insects crawling on it, look at that. It's just like we're having a standoff. It's mad to do photography like this. I usually do street photography and car photography in central London, and this is kind of different kind of photography that I'm doing right now. Where is that? I'm spotting a castle area near this, where this used to be. How did I get? You know, maybe I'll check that. Look at that, you've got a castle right there. Got a nice little hill area down there. Look at that. You know what, coming to these places, it's like a mini holiday. Seriously. Right, we're coming towards Bradgate House now, look at that. And this path will take me directly towards that area. It's a nice little area, isn't it? Look at that, approach the house and look at that. Get a nice shot of this, look at that. It's not as windy down here now. When I was up there it was proper windy. It's not that windy down here because of course we're lower elevation now. Look at that, there's a whole family of them. Right, we've got the whole shot in one. Look at that. Got that where I just came from, and we got the deers right over here. Nice shot. Look at that. And look, we've got the house area right here. Look at that. So it's an ancient monument, so you can't enter it, but at least we can see it from the outside. So it's basically the ruins of the Bradgate house. Really interesting. Look at that. There's scaffolding there as well at the moment. Look at that. So the opening times are 11 AM to 3 PM. Well, it's much more than 3 PM now, so that's why it's closed. Would have been cool to get a shot from the inside, but it's closed now. But look at that. See it properly with the camera. I've got my big lens on. Alright, so we've got a waterfall here. Look at that. I mean, there is more places, but it's quite a big park. And I walked a bit too much anyway. I mean, to be honest, I've already got a shot from the highest elevation. Look at that. That's amazing. A shot. All the days. That's some proper photography and videography.
Disgusting. I know, yeah. It does. You've got heels on. That's why you.
That's a wide angle shot of the Bradgate house. I'm turning back to the front entrance now. That is some good cinematic shots. Look at that. Look at that tree up there. Very tall tree, like no branches until it got up there. Back in my wide lens to get a shot at that tree. It's really amazing. Look at that. The way it like. Oh, and that's pretty much the end of it. I've pretty much been everywhere. I haven't been everywhere here, but like, I guess it's a big park. I've been to the main places here. So yeah, I think I'm going to end this video. It's a nice, amazing place to explore. So I'm going back to the entrance now. You can end this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.